Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros. And for today's a quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you on how to resolve Microsoft account login with the error code 0x80048820 and Windows. So this error 0x80048820 is a Windows specific error that typically pop up when user attempt to log in using their Microsoft account, usually aiming at services like Outlook, OneDrive, or even Windows Store and Windows login itself. And several possible reasons include out of sync system, time and date, problems with Windows credential, damaged profile settings, and malfunctioning account tokens. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to reset the Microsoft Store cache. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard. And then pop-ups this run. So here inbox, and then we need to type this command keyword ws reset.exe. So just type this command keyword ws reset.exe, that is one word, and then click OK. So this procedure is a troubleshooting tool which is used to reset or clear the Windows Store without changing the account settings or deleting installed apps. So that's why we will do this command keyword ws reset.exe to back to default this Microsoft Store and to fix this error. Alright, so once you're done here at Microsoft Store, and we need to close, and the other solutions that we're going to do is to check date and time settings. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type control panel and then click open. And once you open up this control panel, and then we need to modify this view by, and then click this arrow. And then you need to select large icons to see all settings. And next step, then you need to select date and time. And pop-ups this date and time settings. And next step, then you need to select internet time tab and then click. And the next step, then you can see here this change settings and then click. And then pop-ups this internet time settings. So configure internet time settings. So make sure that synchronize with an internet time servers is check this box. Alright, so you need to check this box. And then you can see here this update now on the right side, and then click this update now. And please wait while Windows synchronize with timewindows.com. Alright, and the next step, then click OK. And then click OK. And then, alright, and then here at the start menu, and then we need to restart. Okay, so that's it guys on how to fix Microsoft account login with the error code 0x80048820 in Windows. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.